Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you send PayPal link for payment. If you wish to send PayPal link for payment, then you'll have to follow these steps. What you have to do is, first of all, open up your PayPal application, or you could also use the browser version. Next, once you are logged in, click on the tab bar icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Here you simply want to scroll down and click on paypal.me. Once you do it, so you'll then be taken to this filter where you have to create a profile or some sort of profile. So go ahead and add a photo. Then you'll be asked to create a unique ID, all that. Once you're done creating it, so you'll then need to review your profile. So agree to the terms and conditions. As you've done it, so then you want to log into your PayPal account in the browser, use the application itself. Next, you simply want to click on the dollar icon at the bottom of the page. Then there, you simply want to go ahead and click on the link or copy link options. Then once you've actually done it so, or pasted a link, you'll have successfully sent PayPal link for payment. That's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.